fast-paced world, we stay focused on what truly matters. Long-term vision. Only those who think, plan and act with the future in mind can create something that still holds value tomorrow. Trust, collaboration on equal footing and true passion are essential for that. It also means embracing tomorrow's technology and shaping the future today on the production line. That takes more than just cutting-edge automation, engineering excellence and sustainability. It also takes Igor and Katharina and Jonas and Natalia. Because only together are we ASIS, the automation experts for perfect surfaces. We are here to help you create value that lasts, today and tomorrow.